Hello and welcome back to Henry's Hideout, my backyard tiki bar. Today, I wanted to do a really classic tiki drink for you. I feel like lately I've been doing drinks that aren't necessarily tiki staples. And today I wanted to get back to the roots, wanted to get back to those super long lists of ingredient recipes. This one comes to us from the 60s. It was born in Los Angeles, in one of the most historic tiki bars in SoCal called the Tiki. I believe the owner created this cocktail, and where I found it was on the very last page of the Smuggler's Cove book. So this is, well, not the last page, but it's the last recipe in the book. It is on page 318, and it's called the Puka Punch. It's seen here served in a snifter with some mint. So that's how we're going to try to do it up today. I believe the owner or the guy who opened Tiki used to work for Don the Beachcomber. So very similar style recipe I'm expecting. Something that if you gave it to me, I probably would think that it's a Don drink. But no, it's from the Tiki, but it's from Smuggler's Cove 318. I don't know why, I just wanted to flip to the very last recipe in this book. And it hails like an hour from me. I live like an hour from LA. Yeah, hour and a half. Anywho, without further ado, let's jump into this historic cocktail, the Puka Punch from Tiki. And for this cocktail, you will need
1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice, 3/4 of an ounce of orange juice, 3/4 of an ounce of pineapple juice, 1 ounce of honey mix. This is 1-to-1 honey and water. 3/4 ounce of passion fruit syrup, 1/4 ounce of velvet falernum, 1 ounce of a blended aged rum. I'm using Denizen 8. 1 ounce of a lightly aged rum. I'm just using some Don Q, Puerto Rican style. And then 1 ounce of a dark Jamaican aged rum. I'm using Karuba here. And we'll do just 1 dash of Angostura bitters. And 5 drops of our 80-20 saline solution. We'll pour into our mixer tin. Hit it with a scoop of pebble ice. And we will blend it for 5 to 6 seconds. We'll present our frosted snifter and pour in the cocktail. We'll add some more ice to fill, and we'll top it with 1 full ounce of 151 overproof rum. Garnish with mint, 3 cherries, and don't forget the straws.
Whew, I am sweating making this. Again, here we are, the best part of the videos, the taste test. So, from Tiki, Los Angeles, 1961, 62, here's the Puka Punch. I'm sweating. Let's give it a go. I just sunk my mint. Okay. Oh wow. Now that's a classic tiki drink right there. The pineapple, the passion fruit, the orange, and the honey syrup make this a sweet one. But the 4 different rums that we put in here also make it a strong one. I think I recommend putting the full ounce of 151 in here. 3/4 ounce doesn't really cut it for me with the rumminess. It just gets a little too sweet. So thankfully I did cheat a little bit and put the full ounce of 151 in here. With that, it's perfectly balanced. It's that classy tiki drink that I was after, the flavor that I wanted today. I've been making a lot of drinks that are not necessarily tiki for the channel, so I just wanted to get back to the roots and just make something that really tastes like that authentic Don the Beachcomber style, tiki tea style tiki. I love honey syrup instead of simple syrup or demerara syrup for that matter. It's just a really nice change up sometimes when you want like a little bit of a different style of sweetness. I don't do orange juice in a lot of cocktails. I just tend to not make those. But it's really pleasant in here, and it blends with the pineapple and the passion fruit seamlessly. The ounce of lime, I mean, comes through on the end. It's a nice little acidic bite. But overall, no bad things to say about this cocktail, except for maybe the fact that it has like 11 ingredients. But do with that info as you will. If you have all the ingredients and you have the time, go ahead and make this for your friends and family, or just for yourself on a Sunday. Well, it's MLK Day, it's Monday, but weekend nonetheless. So to a long weekend, to the tiki tea, this is a great drink, and I will see you guys in the next video. Cheers.